guys, today I am going to go to IKEA in Hong Kong because I live in Hong Kong. I am going to number 1 to look for one specific thing. Mama, phải đi. Okay. And this has 4 levels, but the levels are small. We are at the 3rd floor. We need to go to the 7th floor. Oh my god! Look at that! I have one. I just want to look again. Okay. And we are at the 3rd floor. Look. Okay. Now is 5th floor. You will think that is it 4 floor? No. 4 is unlucky in Hong Kong. Okay? Okay. IKEA, but black and white. Okay, this I don't. Okay. Chị có hơi lật lậu là chị có hơi lật lậu hay à hơi lật lậu là okay, we are in 6th floor. Okay, we are going. No, we are not going to restaurant. Finally. Okay. Final floor. Final floor. Okay. Okay. You. I like this. Yeah. Look, I have one at home. I have one at home. Yes, I have one at home. I will eat him. No, my dad says he will eat him because he is fish, and fish is shark, and shark is fish, so he will eat the shark. Okay, and there is a Blåhaj and monkey. Ready for spirit, whatever. A dog or a husky. Usually the sharks or Blåhaj or something will be here, but it changed. And look at these. These are hanging from the ceiling. They are scared. They are really scared. Those two are scared. This is scared too. And then here, you can play here, but I'm not, because we need to be faster. Man, if somebody just gonna blast 3008 music on here, then that would just be fire. Okay, and this, I don't know what is that. Okay, I have one of these, but it is a small one. I want a big one. Mama, how many you need go? My mom said no. Okay. Okay, and we will eat. Okay, bye.